This is gonna be how to service 2019 Ford Truck Ranger right here. Okay, as you can see, it's draining. You have to remove a plate that takes 4 15 millimeter bolts to basically get to the drain cock. Okay. When it comes to the filter is located up back in this area, so you have to basically take the driver's side wheel off basically to get it out. So I'm gonna let the vehicle drain first, and then I'm gonna show how to basically get to that. This is a 2019 model. Where the filter is located, it is technical to get to. Okay. Okay, and as you can see, the drain cock is a 15 millimeter drain cock. Okay. Okay, and as you can see, in order to get to the cock, this is the shield right here that takes 4 15 millimeter bolts. So as you can see, got my 15 millimeter tucked in. Okay, so basically this is where we're at now with this. Let me get this off. Okay, as you see here, you gotta remove basically those pins and move this lining here. Okay, now as you can see, I got the lining down, and basically you can see the filter located right here. Okay. This part right here is going to be important because it's going to take a 64.55 millimeter oil filter flute. I believe the measurement is, but don't reference me on that. I'll go back to the measurement to make sure. But you will need a long extension to get on the inside in order to get this out right here. Okay, as you can see, I'm already set up with my bent handle ratchet. Okay, got my new filter in there, 10241. I use basically some rags to sit up underneath the filter from excess overspill coming from when I removed the filter. Okay, so now it's time for me to basically to get this wheel back on and to get this lining back up. Alright. Okay, pretty much that's gonna be your 2009 Ford Ranger XLT pickup maintenance. All right, so you already know. Keep it lingering. It's time for that break though. Okay, so into the next one. We're gonna check you later. Peace.